How to zoom in on the VN Editor app. What's up everyone? Today I'll show you guys how you can easily zoom into the VN Editor app. First thing you have to do is open up the app and create a new project. Now select what kind of project you want to do. I'm going to do a video based, so just tap and save. Once you have selected your video, you're going to have to use something called keyframes. Now select a part of the video where you want to zoom into. So let's say right around here, I want to zoom into this spot. I'm going to tap on the video, add a keyframe here, then swipe to the right, and simply zoom into this place. So I'm just going to zoom in like this to this billboard, and then after certain seconds, I can just go here and then zoom out again. So let me just go ahead and zoom out of the video. Make sure that it fits on the screen just like before, and that's it. You've added 3 keyframes here. So I'll just play the video. Right here on the keyframe, it will start zooming in, and right after the zoom in, it's going to zoom out. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.